And now we're going to look for force when dealing with springs. This is a constant, usually 2. X is the extension, and we have this force. Now, children, y'all usually don't understand springs, so it's very easy. A spring in its unused form would always have an original length. So if you have a spring, you will have this original length. The original length is from the top piece to the bottom piece right there, and so you would measure it. And this original length can be around, let's say, 5 centimeters. Right? And so if you add a weight to that spring, right, you would have it extending. And suppose the length, so you have the original length, which is 5 centimeters, and the length by which the spring extended due to the mass could be 5 centimeters as well. It can be anything, I'm just writing numbers. And so because of this, the length of the spring, the new length of the spring will be 10. So altogether, this will be 10 centimeters. However, because the original length of the spring is 5 centimeters, you would say it extended by 5 centimeters to get it to 10. I know you would only understand this if you did a question with it, but this is pretty much what is happening, right? And so the mass is indicative of the extension, and that again is another story. So here we have F is equal to the constant times extension. What if you want to find K? What if you want to understand, oh, what is a constant? Well, again, F is actually equal to Kx. If I want to find a constant, I put everything over 1. You see how easy this is? And you just transpose x. X is on top, so it goes diagonally across the equal sign underneath F. Okay? So therefore, you would have F over X is equal to K. Or K is equal to F over X. Now, what if I want to find out what X is equal to? Again, if F is equal to Kx, and I want to find what Kx is equal to, I would just say, everything over 1. And since this is on top, I will move K, and I would say F over K is equal to X. Or X is equal to F over K. Pretty simple. And it's always this simple whenever we only have multiplications. If we had things like addition signs in here, we would definitely have to go through the rigmaroles and the smorgasbords and stuff. But this is so simple. You just make sure everything is over 1, because everything is on one line, and you transpose like what I told you. If you're in the bottom of either side, you move diagonally up across the equal sign, meaning you don't move up on the same side, you move diagonally across and up on the other side of wherever you are. Okay, so that is how it works. If you're on top, you move diagonally across the equal sign. So diagonally, think diagonal